Hey guys, so the organization of today, as you guys can see, is going to be all about toys. His toys was all over the house. It was getting kind of ridiculous and we were stepping on it and it was just overwhelming. He had so many toys that he didn't even play with any of them because it just looked really stressful. So as you can see, it's all over the living room and it trails into the kitchen. And y'all, this is live footage. Like, I didn't clean this up before I recorded this video. I just pulled out the camera and recorded because this is what our house looks like. So let's take a trip down to memory lane. This is how his play area all started. Here he was about 6 months old, so we didn't really have a play area. It was kind of like a dining room / play area. But then we started dedicating the whole place to his toys. That way he has room to play, room to explore. As you can see, we kind of had like a playpen with balls in it, so like a ball pit, and then his toy organization with the memory foam. And then we have the TV mounted, and this when he was 10 months old. He's getting ready to walk. Oh, he is walking actually, and he was just tripping all over his toys because mama couldn't organize. Here I accumulated all of his toys together, from his horse riding toys to his cars to the little stuff to the big stuff, just everything piled here. And this is where I'm going to start decluttering and organizing. So the toy organization bin is where I have all the toys that he will be playing with at the moment. So I'm doing toy rotation. Gosh, count how many times I say toys and put it down in the comment below because it's going to be excessive. But here, this is where I'm going to rotate his toys out every single week. At least I try to, or maybe every other week. Just a way of him learning so he doesn't get bored with the same old thing, and that he tends to grab onto different toys when it's new, basically. I bought the clear bins so I can see all the toys that I'll be rotating out, and then the blue bins are his older toys to maybe at toddler age up to, I would say, like 5. So here we are onto our trip. We are at Hobby Lobby. I really wanted to get him a magnetic board. I was gonna get like a magnetic sheet from Lowe's and like kind of DIY it from there, but I went to Hobby Lobby and it was 10 times cheaper. On top of that, it was quality made item, so it was actually really nice. So all of this stuff here is 40% off. Always wait for a sale. Do not buy stuff at full price because Hobby Lobby always got a sale. I am looking at the dry eraser board, my magnetic boards, just chalkboards, all kinds of boards that's magnetic. That was my main goal. And I came across this metal frame, which I thought was super cool because it is chalkboard, it is magnetic, and I can put it up on the wall with ease. Next, we went to Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree where everything's $1. So here you can find all sorts of classroom materials. So I really like that because they have wall border, they have the ABCs, they just have a lot of stuff that you can put on your wall. I didn't get any of those, unfortunately, but I will next time. I got the wall border, but my son was just picking it off, so it wasn't even worth it. But to get toys, I got these magnetic tins. He loves them because the cap opens and closes and it's magnetic. I got him some magnets so he can put it on his magnetic chalkboard. So a lot of the toys here, you don't have to buy toys because they are expensive. So buy stuff that's $1 here and just go to town with it. Your child will love stuff like this instead of just like a regular toy that you buy for $20 on Amazon, you know? I am adhering the sticky tape or command strip, whatever this is called. I got it at the Dollar Tree for $1, and I'm just gonna stick it onto the back. Now, I ended up screwing this into the wall later on, which you won't see the footage, but sticking it worked just fine. My wall is dysfunctional. It doesn't want to stick anything on there, so we ended up just screwing it into the wall. Be careful with these little magnetic circles. If you do get them, they are kind of small. My son ended up putting it into his mouth a lot, so I just took it away from him. Next, I got this acrylic mirror on Amazon for $25, which is a little pricey for how small it is, but it is acrylic and you can't break it and it's safe for the children. So here I am adhering it again and it sticks to the wall just fine and it's on there right now and my son isn't pulling it off. It's kind of flush to the wall, so he really likes it. He looks at himself a lot. I'm clearing up all this entire area because I am moving his toy bin to a different area and I'm redoing this entire thing. So first we decluttered, we organized, and now we are giving his play area a makeover. I went to Walmart and got the 6 cubicle organizer. At first, I didn't think this would be a good idea, but it turned out amazing, so just give it a shot. And then I also got the storage bin that works out beautifully and it is aesthetically pleasing. So I am putting all the pieces together. This was a little complicated, not gonna lie. I couldn't have done it without my husband. I mean, I could have, but it would have taken me a day or two because I get frustrated so easily. You guys have no idea. So, especially when it comes to stuff like this, like I have zero patience. But we did it together, and I did most of the work. My husband just kind of told me what to do. I asked my husband for help at the end so he can drill an extra hole into this board. These are particle wood, so they are not sturdy. So when you drill a hole, just make sure you know exactly what you're doing or else you will split the entire wood. I needed him to make an extra shelving unit because there is a box, the outlet box cover, and it is in the way of this item. So you'll see it once I put it up, how I have to store it. But basically, I just made another shelf. I am constantly changing Marcellus's play area because this is where he learns a lot. A lot of the stuff that I change out has to do with his age. So when he was younger, I had infant toys and I didn't have as many of the stuff I have now. Plus, I did not get a wooden chair and table for him at the time because he was just too young to understand. So the more he grows, the more I like to change his play area because it's the better way he will learn how to do things. And we got this play kitchen, which is amazing. It is plastic, it's super safe, and it's awesome. It's just another learning set that he has to opening and closing things and turning the knobs and etc. So this play kitchen came in handy. So all I did was wipe it down, put it up, and he loves it. I'm so happy with the way everything is organizing and coming together. Having this organization in his play area gives me peace of mind because now he's able to pick and play what he wants. So everything is not just on the ground. So stuff that's on the shelf as well. So again, I absolutely love this cubicle. Instead of putting it vertical, I laid it down horizontal so that it is the height of my son, and he loves it. It just looks good. I have a place for his books, and then on the side I have a place for his toys. So overall, this was a great investment, and I am so happy how everything turned out.